All right, you guys. So we've been having so much fun making these vegan recipes. We've made coconut rice pudding, jackfruit pineapple tacos. So good, so good. So you know what? We're about to make a drink, and we have Jerry back, who you guys got to know really well. And you know, behind the scenes, you guys were like, who puts this together? It's this guy right here, my director, Sergio. So Sergio, this recipe is coming from you. So what are we actually making?
Today, we are going to be making my grandma's famous micheladas.
Micheladas! Okay, so like, what's actually in this recipe? I'm looking at all these fantastic ingredients. We got celery, lemon.
To be quite honest, I don't know. My grandma usually makes it, but she did just hand me down the ancient recipe.
Wait.
My family.
Well, you got it with you right now?
Wait.
Where's it at?
Where is it?
You keep it in your...
Wait
a minute. It's an artifact. Yeah, we got
what? It has the original stains, you guys. Wait. Oh my gosh.
Wow, they had a good time that night.
Look at the hole,
They
Derek.
had the whole hole.
Wait, can we see this? Like, look at that. Like a pirate's life right there. Looking through it. Okay.
So I'll tell you both of you folks.
Yes.
Everyone, this originally goes with lime, but today we're going to be using lemons. So first, Jerry, if you want to grab the cup.
Yeah, I got you.
What you want to do is you want to put a rim around it with lemon.
Okay. I can do that. It's right here.
Yeah, now next, you want to put some tahini and cover the plate.
Ah.
Okay.
I mean, you can use your favorite chili powder. After you put some lemon around the rim, you can put your favorite chili powder on a plate.
Okay.
And then from there, you can put the cup upside down. And you can just twirl it around.
Twirl it around like you're doing like a margarita mix.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, look at that.
Perfect.
Look
Get
at
all the
that.
edges.
Is that good form right there?
Good form. Great form. Okay, cool. Next, you want to flip it back over.
Bam.
Bam. There it is.
Add a third cup of ice.
Okay.
Now, we all have our own favorite hot sauces, so you can choose your favorite and add 3 to 4 drops.
Hot sauce is
3 to
going
4.
in here?
Wait, just
right.
a drink, right?
What?
Yeah, this is right. It's to give it a little bit of a kick.
Okay. Jerry's drinking it.
Oh. we gonna put one dab behind. If I'm the one.
Just put 3. 3 is
Put
always
3. You don't be a baby, Jerry.
I'm the one drinking. Don't tell me no. Don't be a baby. I'm the one that got to drink.
3 is a magic number. Okay. Now next, you want to squeeze the rest of the lemon in there, of a wedge.
Oh, okay. Actually in the cup?
Yeah, actually in the cup. Squeeze all the juice you can.
Oh my gosh.
This is fun.
Okay.
Okay. Next, you want to put some tomato juice, about a 1/3 cup inside.
Third cup.
Yeah,
Okay.
you don't really want to have any more than that because you don't want to feel like it's too tomatoey with a little bit of alcohol taste. You want to have more of the Mexican beer taste than the tomato. The tomato is just to kind of give it what it is. That's what a michelada.
The third would be like right here, Jerry.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no, I can tell he was struggling. He was like, oh, what's about a third? Yeah. There we go.
I'm like, what's the third?
Cool. Next, Carlina, if you would like to.
Yes.
You can grab your favorite Mexican beer.
Okay.
And pour it in slowly just to avoid any foaming because the chili powder will kind of make it foam up if you add it too fast. You can see this already happening.
So I want to pour it very, very slowly like this?
Yeah, to avoid the foam.
So I just like wait for it to like stop bubbling and then continue?
5 hours later.
But
And what you can do next is you can add a couple more shakes of your favorite chili powder on top, and that also helps bring down the foam.
Oh, okay. I'll let Jerry do that part. While I kind of focus on this.
Like inside?
Yeah, a couple. Yeah, what was it earlier? What we were doing earlier? Like,
Oh, the 2 shots. Yeah.
Perfect.
Do I need to add any more beer?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Keep adding more.
Okay, now.
I want Jerry to be turned up.
Gotta go to work in the morning, yeah.
Okay. Now, from here on out, we're gonna get to the final stage of this, but you can just do a little taste test to see what you might need more of. If you want to add more chili, if you need more kick, or if you want more beer because it just tastes too much like tomato. But yeah, so you want to get a little taste.
You want me to
Does he need to mix it up or anything?
Yeah. Oh, so now next, if you want to add a celery stick for a finishing touch, you can throw that on top and use that as also as your little stir.
Sorry, I had to model this.
Yeah, you killed it too.
Look at that. Look at that. I'm mixing
yeah.
it for you. It looks, all right, Jerry, let us know if you need more beer or anything else.
Okay.
And we can also get these
Okay,
toothpicks over here
okay.
to just give it more of a nice look.
Wow. I think we killed that.
We did? Wait,
That's
it's
nice.
not done yet. He's adding more stuff to it. Wait for it.
Nice balance.
Wait, so what are you adding to it?
We're gonna add some green olives.
Green olives, okay.
Stick those right through the celery stick.
Okay. Wait, oh my gosh, this is looking so big. This is cute.
Yeah, it's
So like
totally
a party.
cute.
Look at that.
That's real cute. Yeah,
There we are.
Cute.
It's man cute. Like you're drinking
manly
it. It's
type
okay.
cute.
It's a manly
That's
cute.
the best kind of cute.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, and one last thing.
What else?
These weren't necessarily around during the time of the recipe,
Uh-huh.
but I have found these tamarindo sticks.
Ooh.
What a very nice addition.
So what is it? How do you say it?
So tamarindo is a
Tamarindo.
tamarindo.
I'm not gonna say
Tamarindo?
it.
So what we
Say it.
stand it
I'll
out.
say it. No.
No.
Ta.
Ma
Ma.
ring
Ring.
do.
Do. Tamarindo.
Yeah!
Grandma, yeah. I'm bilingual now.
Bilingual, there you go.
So tamarindo is a root.
Okay.
So it's also a very popular Mexican candy that they usually use more chili powder to put onto it, and also is this stuff called chamoy, which is they'll also add that into a michelada as well sometimes. But it's nice to just get a little kick. You can also take bites of it as you're drinking it.
Okay.
Oh!
This is.
All right,
And
so
it's
now,
also a straw.
oh, look at this! All right, so now it's done.
Okay.
All right, Jerry, here's the final test. Let us
Okay.
know.
All
Gotta
right.
put this back in my wallet.
Yes,
Yeah,
put it back.
please, you don't want to lose that.
You don't want to lose
Grandma
that.
will be very
Grandma
mad
will
at
kill me.
you. Yeah. All right, here we go. Wow. Wow. Ew,
Thank you.
that's good.
Wow!
I never would have thought to put any of this in a drink, but it works out. Let me take this.
Yeah. Take a little bite of it.
Yeah, I can put a little
Ate the whole straw. I'm good.
You ate the whole
bad.
It's
strategy.
super good. Yeah.
Okay, so wait, Jerry, can you officially say that me and my crew have like killed it when it came to vegan
From
recipes?
the very beginning to the end, y'all got the main course, the dessert, the turn up. Everything's good.
He just added some more beer to that,
I
you know,
feel it. No, thank you for
having you.
for having me and also catering to the vegans out there.
Yes.
Super important.
I think too.
Absolutely. All right, you guys, for this recipe, go to my website, www.cookingwithcarlina.com. Also, check me out on Instagram at cookingwithcarlina. You can follow Jerry at...
J. Bernard Jr.
Okay, and then Sergio, go ahead.
Follow me at Variety Films.
Boom. All right, you guys, bye. We're going to let Jerry finish this.
Deuces.
Thank you, Sergio.
You're welcome.